thanks for being here. In this video, I teach you how to download Eclipse and also how to set a path. Okay, okay, yes. Click the browser, open the browser, search the Eclipse, download. Many links here. Click the first link. Okay, next click the download button. Click the 86 84. Next click the download. Now Eclipse download. Keep waiting. Now downloading. Download. Fast. Download. Fast. Complete. Download completed. Next open the file. Open. Open. Open that. Okay, many option there. Click the your role. Okay, first one is Java developer, second web developer, third one is C and C plus developer, PHP developer, many is here. You choose the your role. Okay, I click the Java developer because I run the Java code. Okay, I return the Java code. Okay, check the checkbox, a tick button here. Okay, your file path is, you can change it. My me not change. Okay, click the install. Okay, accept now. Install take time. Okay, just wait it. Take 5 minutes or 2 minutes more. Download. It is take more time. After download I show it. Okay, now successfully downloaded. Now show this page. Click the launch. Now open Eclipse IDE. I choose that workplace. I don't change workplace. Open. Okay, let's open the button. Let's big screen. I click the, oh, okay. Oh, okay. First, you do three step. First step is project. Create a project. Next is create a package. Next, third step is create a class. You must do that the three process. Okay. First step. What is the first step? First step is create create a project. Okay. What is the project name? Whatever you name, you give. I give Java videos. Okay. Next, click the finish button. Next, what is the second step? Next is create a package. Next, I choose the name is online videos. Okay, click the finish. I successfully create a package. Next, third step. What is the third step? You create a class. First, I create a project. Next, create a package. Third step is class. Okay, what is the class names? What is demo? Okay, you choose what is create in the interface. I don't that create. I only create public class, public static void main. Okay, you choose it. You can choose it. Next, I finish that. Oh, okay. Next, I do the first problem. Okay, okay. I create a first program. I print the hello world. Okay, first system dot out dot print ln. Okay, hello world. You know about that in the syntax. I will teach you next. Okay, next video. Okay, first it is demo. Okay, it is the demo program. Okay, don't hesitate. I will teach you next. Next, click the run button. This always before launching show is auto save. Click the auto save. Next, click OK. Don't show again. Okay, now print the hello world. Here. Okay, successfully print and compile and download, and also set a path. Okay, successfully. Next, I will meet you next. Okay, next video.